Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, after NFP, we got to see good selling on the chart of DXY, as a result of which we got to see upside on charts like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and others. Euro USD made a high of 1.1042 and ultimately closed at 1.1008. Our resistance level worked perfectly. We can see that market made a high and immediately market showed selling also. So it gives us the confirmation that our resistance, which was derived on the basis of price action and Fibonacci, is on point. So as a result, we can expect that our next FIBO level, which is Fibonacci 50% retracement around 1.1092, should also work. But at first, let's look at the news. Dollar slides after slowing US jobs growth in July. There was mixed result. Biggest single day dollar slide in 3 weeks. Dollar's drop erases almost all the week's gains. The US economy added fewer jobs than expected last month. However, solid wage gains and a drop in unemployment to 3.5% signal continued tightness in the labor market. The expectation was around 200k. The numbers came out to be 187k. So it was a mixed result, but still we saw selling on the chart of dollar, and dollar index also, DXY, also took support in our level. Our support level also worked. Usually whenever a big news like NFP CPI dominates the market, technicals do not work. But yesterday we saw our levels working nicely. So to be honest, that was a big surprise. So Monday market will be very important for us, especially the market opening. If the selling pressure on dollar index continues, observe the volatility of the market. Volatility will decide whether the levels will work or not. If market acts like a typical Monday market, you can expect the next support of 101.60 to 101.50 to act as the next support for our market. This is the next support on the chart of DXY, and the second support is around 101.20. So here it was FIBO 23, and here we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level, as well as previous support around this area. And around 101.20 we have FIBO 50% retracement level. Along with that we have 100 moving average. So if the volatility of the market remains normal, then we can definitely expect DXY to get support around this area, and we can plan our trades accordingly. And on Thursday we have CPI coming up, and before a big event like CPI, we see that market remains sideways or choppy for the next 1 or 2 days. So let's wait and watch. There's a high chance that DXY or other pairs may remain choppy till Thursday. And right now, if dollar index shows upside, then 103 to 103.25 will be acting as resistance. I think market will remain within this range only. Let's wait and watch. Time will speak. So this is the Forex chart of Euro USD. As I said, that our previous level worked perfectly. So definitely we can expect our next FIBO level, FIBO 50%, which is a better level to work again. So the next resistance is around 1.1092 or around 1.1090. It can be 1095 as well. So once you'll see the market is going up, okay, observe the market around this area. Just like the previous times, if you see the market is struggling around this area, you will get the confirmation that yes, sellers are still present, and you can look for a sell position. This is the first resistance in on the chart of euro dollar, and the second resistance is around 1.1150. 1.1150, 1.1155, because of FIBO 61.8% retracement level, as well as previous resistance around this area. 1.1150 is the strongest resistance as of now, but 1.1092 is also not a bad level. Let's wait and watch. But my dear friends, I would like to mention one thing, that overall the chart of Euro USD is an uptrend. If you're a swing trader, then obviously you should consider this chart to be an uptrend, and you should plan your trades accordingly. But here in this particular portion of the market, here you can see that there is some structural change going on. So as a result, it is better to trade from level to level only right now. On the video of gold also I told the same thing, because if the market remains sideways and choppy, obviously it will be difficult for swing traders to trade, and that's why you need to trade according to the market situation. As I said, on Thursday we have CPI coming up, and before CPI there's a good chance that market may remain choppy and sideways. In that case, you need to trade from level to level. We have two resistances, 1.1150 and 1.1092. Around this level, if you see market reversing, you can look for a sell. You can expect 30 to 40 pips. 30 to 40 pips in a choppy market, sideways market is not bad. And on the other hand, if you see that right after the market opening, Euro USD is showing downside, in that case you can look for some support around 1.0920 to 1.0905. This is the support on the chart of Euro USD, or you can also consider that the immediate support. But this support is not very strong. But under normal circumstances, under normal volatility, definitely market will get some support around this area. You can simply switch to 1 hour time frame. 4 hours time frame will be slower for you. You can simply switch to 1 hour time frame. Once you'll see the market is showing price rejection from below, market is forming a hammer, you will get the confirmation that okay, buyers are present, and you can click on the buy button. And the best support, or the strongest support, or the strongest presence of buyers on the chart of euro dollar is around 1.0840. I have already discussed in my previous videos that in case market breaks down, market shows extreme selling pressure, 1.0840 is the level you can look for some support. But again, I'll repeat that in this particular portion of the chart, you can see that there is a structural change going on. Okay, and more or less, not market may remain sideways in the next 2 or 3 days. So try to trade from level to level only. Stop entering in the middle of the chart. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay. And especially if you're a day trader, then you can already see that on lower time frames, you can already see that market is sideways. So you need to plan your trades accordingly. Let the market open, let the market move, then only we'll get the confirmation, okay, in which side, in which direction we should take our trades. But yes, okay, we are retail traders, we cannot decide the direction of the market. So do not chase the market, let the price come to you. So this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your capital and hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care, enjoy the weekend, have fun with your family and friends. Bye bye.